What's going on, guys? My name's Bill. This is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesdays, I like to bring you guys tools I've been using in my videos or that I've been using on projects in and around my garage. When's the last time you were working on maybe something like this, where you need this piece here to be parallel with this piece here? So you get everything clamped up and now you're having to make all these little minor adjustments. Maybe you're finding pieces of scrap wood or scrap material to put under here to support this. Maybe this is like really long. So you need to support this end to make sure it stays right where you need it. Maybe you're cutting some long lumber down on a chop saw. And again, you got the blade, you got the table of your chop saw, but this piece is hanging way up. I mean, this is a full 8-foot piece that you're only cutting like a foot off of. So now you got 7 feet of stick out. And you need some way to support that long end so it sits flat on your tabletop. Again, you could find scrap wood to lay up underneath that far end to support it on something to make sure you get it level. So you're finding scrap wood, shims, cardboard, whatever it could be to get that fine adjustment right to where you need it so that this is parallel with this, or this is parallel or level on your chop saw table. We've all been there, guys. We've all kind of jerry-rigged stuff together to support that material so we can get a nice straight cut, a nice clean joint, whatever the case may be. Maybe you've used 1, 2, 3 blocks, same thing, where you get these up underneath here. These are nice because you can put a bolt in there. On some of the holes, they're threaded and you can make fine adjustments with a long bolt. These come in handy, but not everybody has 1, 2, 3 blocks or has a need for them really. What if I told you there was a tool that could support this piece of material, support your work, make fine adjustments to it to get everything dialed in exactly where you need it? This is a lab square. Now this is a 4x4 lab square. You can get them in different sizes. I think you can get them up to like 12 by 12. This is a 4x4, and I think it costs like 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave some links down below to different ones. But this is just a very simple benchtop or workbench scissor lift. Now what you can do is you can put this underneath your piece and you can easily adjust this to support the stick out material. So in this situation, I want this to be perfectly level with this. So here I've got my digital inclinometer on my main piece, and I can see this is at positive 0.05 degrees. So now I'm gonna move this over to my other side. We'll get situated here. Okay, you can see I'm at negative 0.5 degrees. So now I gotta hold this piece down because I'm not on a fixture table. But now I can make my adjustments. I can bring this up so I get to that positive 0.05 degrees. A little too much. And there we go. Whoop. I'm right at that edge, but there you can see I'm now at the same reading as it was on the main tube. So I know this piece is perfectly parallel with that piece. Now I can go ahead and tack this thing into place and weld it out. So there you go, guys, a simple little 4x4 lab jack. Guys, this thing has so many uses around your shop, around your garage. It can really help in getting stuff fixtured up. Like I said, if you're working on a chop saw, and you want to support the long end of that piece you're cutting off, grab your lab jack, put that under the long end. Quickly turn this thing up, support that long material, and get to work. Guys, so many uses, so handy to have. I think this thing costs like 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave some links down below. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and get back to work.